My gosh, look what finally came in. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, I finally got in my, what is this month? June. June 2026 Bargain Bead Box. I was looking so forward to this one coming in, and it finally came in yesterday. I was gone all day, most of the day yesterday, so I couldn't do the unboxing, but we're going to do it right now. So let me go ahead and open this up and get it all organized, and I will be right back. Ooh, I'll be right back. All right, we are back. So for this month, June 2026, it is, and I had to look that word up, make sure I'm not saying it wrong or butchering it, but it's strawberry Soirée collection. So strawberry Soirée. It said Saw, R-E-E. That's how you pronounce it. So anyway, hopefully that's right. I'm just going by what Siri said. So the first one, we have 9 piece of 20 by 22.39 because they vary in size. So they're 20 to 39 millimeter cherry quartz glass graduated teardrop pendants, and they retail for $12.99. And so you can make a pretty, like, that top necklace, or you can use them individually, or however you want. It looks like these, it's got these little bitty, I don't know, 4 millimeter, something like that, in between them. I don't know what in the world that dog is barking at. So that is really pretty. Look at that. I don't know how well. You can see through that. That is so pretty. It would almost make you think, like, I don't know, maybe just drops of food coloring or fingernail polish in water and how it just kind of disperses. It's sort of like that, It reminds me of something else, but it's another food reference, so. Because I'm sitting there thinking, it almost looks like a little bit of watermelon if it was mixed in water, and then, you know, how it would spread. Anyway, everything's food to me, I guess. Number 2, we have 8 millimeter strawberry quartz round beads on a 7-inch string. They retail for $5.99. That's pretty. Okay, number 3, we have 8 millimeter cherry quartz glass man-made round beads on a 7-inch string, and they retail for $3.49. Let's see, what's the difference? Oh, this is cherry quartz. That's strawberry quartz. Okay. And what were those? Those were cherry quartz. Okay, so we've got cherry and strawberry in this. Looks like the cherry quartz is a little brighter, maybe a little more orangey in color, kind of, because they have that brightness to them, whereas you'll see right here, the strawberry quartz has almost got like a blue tone, or, you know, like an undertone. So I guess that's the difference in cherry quartz and strawberry quartz. But really, that does look like when you pureed up strawberries and mashed them all up really good. It does kind of look about like that color. Okay, number 4, we have strawberry quartz nugget beads on a 7.5-inch string. They retail for $4.79. Cute little nugget beads. But yeah, that one kind of makes you think of strawberry jam. Lord, April. Number 6, we have 8x6mm cherry quartz glass man-made faceted rondelle beads on a 7-inch string, and they retail for $6.99. Oh, those are pretty. I like that faceted rondelle. I don't know. I hope when I get back to editing, because sometimes I can tell a difference. Looking at my camera, well, today I'm using the phone, it looks a whole lot darker. It's like the colors are not popping like they are in real life. But maybe when I edit, it'll look a little bit brighter. We'll see. But for now, I hope you're all seeing how pretty this really is. Number 6, we have 6mm cherry quartz glass man-made faceted plated round beads on a 7.5-inch string, and they retail for $5.99. These are pretty. I guess that where it's plated, it gives you that little bit extra sparkle. Number 7, we have 2 pieces of 18x11mm strawberry quartz and brass faceted strawberry charms, and they retail for $5.99. Oh, those are cute. Look how pretty these are. The little leaves right there. Oh, I love those. Those are so sweet. Look at that. Oh, I love those. Okay, number 8, we have 6mm crystal faceted teardrop beads in scarlet AB finish on a 10-inch string. They retail for $4.99. Oh, those are pretty. Look at that AB finish on it. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Oh, man. Look how these just sparkle. Oh, I love them. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Alright, we are none, right? Yeah. Okay, we have 4mm crystal bicone and rondelle beads in a varied green AB finish on 11-inch string. They retail for $2.99. Crystal bicone and rondelle. Okay, so there are the bicones. And there are the rondelles. That's cute. And they have that sparkle too, because it did say AB finish, right? Yeah, it's got the AB finish too. Number 10, we have a 6x3mm glass strawberry parfait. Hold on. We have a 6x3mm glass rondelle bead mix and strawberry parfait, 10 grams, and they retail for $2.99. Ooh. Those are cute. Boy, don't that look Valentine-y. That just screams Valentine's. And strawberries too, but definitely Valentine's. Number 11, we have 4mm glass faceted round beads in dark jade red on a 13-inch string, and they retail for $2.99. Oh, those are pretty bright red. Number 12, we have 6-piece 14x12mm lamp work glass handmade strawberry beads, and they retail for $4.99. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, man. I love those. Oh, forgive my finger if you've seen that. I cut it pretty good yesterday. But, oh, my goodness. Oh, I love those. I mean, they almost look real. Now, where am I at? I'm number 13. We have 30 pieces of 12 by 6.5 millimeter glass top drilled leaf beads in true green, and they retail for $2.99. So we got to have some leaves with their strawberries, right? Those are cute. Number 14, we have 6 pieces of 10 millimeter rhinestone round beads in bright red, and they retail for $3.99. Oh, I like those little ruby slippers. What they make me think of. Ah, a reference that is not food. These look like ruby slippers. Okay, where am I at? I've moved everything around and got all discombobulated. Okay, number 15 is 50-piece 6 millimeter leaf bead caps, and they retail for $2.99. Let me pick one up. See, show you better. Yeah, that looks like a little leaf. Can you see that? Okay, I like. Number 16, we have 6 by 7 millimeter flower blossom spacer beads at 10 grams, and they retail for $2.99. Those are cute too. Look at those. They do make you think of strawberry blossoms. Number 17. We have 4 pieces of 10 by 6 millimeter sterling silver plated brass vine links. They retail for $3.99. Oh, those are cute. Let me look at them though. Those are cute. I need to try to figure out where the link is. Oh, okay. I see now. Okay, right there's a hole. And right there's a hole. So that's how they link together. Okay, I like that. Number 18, we have 6 pieces of 9 by 19 millimeter leaf drilled marquee links, and they retail for $2.99. Okay, those are cute too. Number 19 is 33 by 15 millimeter platinum plated brass leaf toggle clasp, and it retails for $4.99. Oh, that's pretty. Yep. Yes, sir. And finally, number 20, we have 4 by 3 millimeter stainless steel cable jewelry chain, 1 meter, and it retails for $3.99. She always gives us a chain, and I like that. And there's a pretty little chain. All right, y'all, what do you think about this set? I love it. I really do. It's very spring/summery, which, I don't know. Strawberries kind of make me think spring, although they really don't come out till like late spring, early summer. But I love it. So these are so pretty. Let me get you a little closer and give you a little bit better look, and I'll tell you about Bargain Bead. And I will tell you about Bargain Bead Box. Okay, if I don't make you too dizzy. So Bargain Bead Box is another bead box company. And what they do, they come up with a theme each month. And then they curate beads to match that theme as far as like style, colors, different stuff. I mean, this is strawberry Soirée or whatever. And, you know, so we've got strawberries, we've got leaves, we've got strawberry colored stuff in here. So everything that make you think of strawberries. So that's just an example. But they do that every month. And if you become a member, it is may as well say $25 a month. That's taxes, shipping, everything's included. And then you kept hearing me say it retails for, it retails for, it retails for. Well, at the very end of this paper that comes in with their kit, that tells you the estimated retail value, what this should cost. And it should cost $95.10. But because I guess she can get stuff a whole lot cheaper, then she passes that bargain on to us. And so instead of paying almost $100, then we paid almost $25. And I mean, you cannot beat that. You can't go anywhere and get this type of quality, this quantity, you know, all these beautiful gemstones and glass beads and all of that for $25. You just can't do it. So this is the best way to go. They are out of Tennessee. Very, very good company. I really think highly of them. So I will put down in the description box below a link. You can go through that link, and that's going through me to get to them. And then also, once you become a member, if you don't know anything about them, but once you become a member, they are Bargain Bead Box, but they have a sister store that is Bead Box Bargain. Let me put you back up so I'll quit shaking. I always shake the dang phone when I'm talking. But they are Bead Box Bargains, and they have everything for sale on there, on that sister site. And that's where you go and you get extra items. Or a lot of times, every month she comes once, about I think the third Friday, I believe it is, of the month. But it gives time for everybody to get their kit in the mail and all that. Then she puts out extras, and they're called a companion bundle, and it's just stuff that matches this, and you can buy that. But the best part is on the back side of this paper, there is a 30% off coupon code, and that coupon code is good for the entire month. You can use that code as many times as you want, save 30% off each order as many times as you want for that particular month. So the whole month of June, I'll use this code. If I go back and buy stuff, I can use that code and I get 30% off. And that really helps, especially like the bigger bundles. I mean, because they're like, some's 30, some's 50, depends on the size. And so 30% off, it's pretty good size savings. So anyway, that is all about Bargain Bead Box. And again, this is June 2026, and I'm in love. I can't wait to get started on this. See what I can come up with. So I've already seen, we have like a Facebook group, and I've already seen some of the ladies come out with some beautiful stuff, and I'm like, man, I want my kit. And I finally got it yesterday, so I can get started now. But that is it. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. And other than that, then go check them out. If you aren't a member already, go check them out. And of course, it's that you can unsubscribe at any time, so without hassle. All right, that is it for this video. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and I do appreciate you hanging out with me, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.